Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Who is the last prophet and messenger? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Prophet Jesus alaihi salam, Prophet Moses alaihi salam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In which month was Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam born? Muharram, Rabiul Awwal, Rajab. Rabiul Awwal. To which tribe did Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam belong? Banu Quraysh, Banu Hashim, Banu Tamim. Banu Quraysh. What was the name of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's mother? Hazrat Amina, Hazrat Halima, Hazrat Safiya. Hazrat Amina. What was the name of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's father? Hazrat Ismail alaihi salam, Hazrat Abdullah, Hazrat Isa alaihi salam. Hazrat Abdullah. What was the name of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's grandfather? Abu Talib, Abu Hashim, Abdul Muttalib. Abdul Muttalib. What was the name of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's maternal grandfather? Wahab, Hashim, Abu Talib. Wahab. To which prophet's lineage did Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam belong? Prophet Ibrahim and Ismail alaihi salam, Prophet Isaac and Jacob alaihi salam, Prophet Ibrahim and Isaac alaihi salam. Prophet Ibrahim and Ismail alaihi salam. What was the kunya, honorific title of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Abu Ibrahim, Abu Zainab, Abu Qasim. Abu Qasim. Who gave Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam the name Ahmad? His uncle, his mother, his grandfather. His mother. When did Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's father pass away? 3 months before his birth, 4 months after his birth, 1 year after his birth. Three months before his birth. Who was Abu Lahab in relation to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Maternal uncle, grandfather, paternal uncle. Paternal uncle. What was Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's age when his mother passed away? 6 years, 9 years, 11 years. 6 years. Who took care of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam after the death of his mother? His family members, his uncle, his grandfather. His grandfather. How many years did Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stay with his foster mother, Hazrat Halima radiyallahu ta'ala anha? 2 years, 4 years, 6 years. 6 years. How many years did the Prophet ﷺ's uncle Abu Talib take care of him? 22 years, 32 years, 42 years. 42 years.